Welcome to Session 20, Factoring Strategies. Today, you will choose a factoring strategy from polynomial structure, factor leading coefficients greater than 1, and solve factored equations and verify by expansion. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. Use the corner product and middle term sum together. For x2 plus bx plus c. Splitting the middle term creates four regions that can be grouped into a common binomial. A correct pair of side lengths multiplies back to all three original terms. Use this first move. Factor out the greatest common factor first. Then, count terms. 2 may signal difference of squares. 3 may signal a trinomial. Worked example, GCF and complete factorization. Factor 12x cubed 18x squared completely. Step 1. Coefficient GCF is 6. Variable GCF is x squared. Step 2. Divide termwise to get 2x3. Step 3. No further common factor remains. The final answer is 6x squared, 2x3. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. Factor 3x squared 12 completely. Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is 3, x2, x plus 2. Remove the GCF 3, then use a difference of squares. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 20 recap. Factor out the greatest common factor first. Next, count terms. 2 may signal difference of squares. 3 may signal a trinomial. Then, for a-1, split the middle term using factors of x. Then group. Finally, expand to verify and use zero product only when the equation equals 0. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.